I'm back, baby. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Transformers Kitchen. Show here to make easy, nutritious, and delicious, and most important recipes. Where are they? That's you.
Can't stop eating this, it's delicious. Oh my god.
Today we're making protein-packed prawn enchiladas. All you need to do is grab your prawns, add your seasoning into those prawns. Now you can use uncooked or cooked. Obviously if you use uncooked you're going to have to cook them for a little bit longer, but cooked is fine. So add your salt, paprika, garlic into your bowl and then just give them a nice little mix around so you've got all the herbs and spices mixed in. Once we have your prawns prepared, all you need to do is get your non-stick pan, add it onto a medium to high heat and cook them for 2 minutes each side. Minutes each side. This is a very, very easy meal to make. It took me about 15 minutes. You can find it in my cookbook. You can need even more instructions on there, but hopefully this video will be enough for you to give it a go. It is full of protein, absolutely delicious. Oh, and make sure that each prawn is got its own space. You want to make sure you can get that nice yum brown flavour on there. And like I said before, after 2 minutes all you need to do is flip them and then they're ready to be put in a bowl after another 2 minutes. If you're using uncooked, cook them for a minute longer or until they're clear and cooked through. If you're good in the kitchen and you know what you're doing, whilst those prawns are cooking, you could make this mix here, and this is going to be our topper with eggs. So crush up or crunch up or slice up 120 grams of spinach, mix 2 eggs in there, a little bit of salt, and if you're feeling a little bit exotic, add a little bit of oregano. Then all you need to do is in the same pan you cook the prawn with, flatten out that spinach, egg and herb mix, and then pop a lid on for 2 minutes until it's cooked or slightly cooked. After 2 minutes, what you need to do is take that off, add a little bit of fresh grated mozzarella or any low-fat cheese, and then squish down on top a nice tortilla. Here's one I made earlier. You can obviously make your own tortillas. There's a recipe for that coming in soon, so you'll need to keep a lookout for that. After another minute's passed, the tortilla should be nice and floppy for you to do a little flippy move. So put some baking paper or any plate underneath. What I do is use the pan lid, baking paper, flip it around so you can put the tortilla side back down onto the pan to cook through slightly for about 30 to 45 seconds whilst you are preparing the rest of the ingredients. You just need to dice some tomato up on there. If you want some extra fats in, you could add some avocado. I like having avocado. I also like making this with grilled chicken. It's really good with the grilled chicken. So yeah, some sour cream, some peppers, the rest of the cheese for the recipe, then your pre-cooked prawns that you've just done. And all you need to do is fold that tortilla over, take it out, slice it up, and then you have your tortilla. You can make these in advance if you want to warm them up in the microwave in the morning or you want to take them to work. Easy recipe here. Look at that, absolutely delicious. Now if you like this video and you like the recipes that I'm bringing out, then feel free to follow, like, share, subscribe with your friends if this has helped you. And if you try it, add me on Instagram, then you can tag me in the recipe and I can see exactly what you've made. So thank you for watching my first video. Big love to all you guys.
Nutritious, and delicious, most important recipes.
I do cookbooks, custom plans and one-to-one coaching. So if you're ready, it's time to transform your life from zero to hero. When you get the cookbook, you have no more fad diets. You're going to fix your eating habits. There's 150 plus recipes, update every week with the latest images and videos on an easy to use app with a full calorie and macro breakdown to gain in-depth knowledge and take control of your life like I and countless others have. You can learn how to become superhuman and it's available on all devices. Or if you need an expert's attention to your goals, we will make you a nutrition, a training or a one-to-one coaching plan. So if you are ready to achieve your destiny and join the community today to transform yourself, feel free to book a consultation, and for any other information, head to the website.